Is your Chevy Malibu key fob not working? The most common issue is a dead battery. Malibu key fobs typically use a CR2032 or CR2450 battery. Replace the battery by carefully prying open the fob, swapping the battery, and ensuring the polarity is correct. If a battery change doesn't work, the key fob may need to be relearned. This can happen after battery replacement. Try the door start trick as a temporary workaround. Hold the lock button on the fob while pressing the start button inside the car. Remember, signal interference from things like phone chargers or other electronics can also cause issues. Keep the fob away from these items when using it. If the door start trick works temporarily, you need to relearn or reprogram the key fob. The exact procedure can vary slightly, but generally involves cycling the ignition and pressing the lock-unlock buttons in sequence. Alternatively, a cheap OBD2 scanner can be used for advanced programming. If these methods fail, a dealership visit might be necessary for a software update or more advanced diagnostics. Looking ahead, the trend is towards digital keys integrated with smartphone apps and even biometric access, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Many newer Chevy models already offer app-based key sharing. While key fobs will become increasingly obsolete, staying on top of key fob maintenance and available software patches will keep your current Malibu running smoothly.